Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Boost Juice card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. Now, as of 2026, your Boost Juice does not officially support Apple Wallet for its Vibe loyalty card. Earlier, some people had wallet passes, but Boost stopped issuing new Apple Wallet passes around 2022. So if you are looking for an add to Apple Wallet option, you won't find it anywhere. And this is why most of the people get stuck at this particular step. So in order to basically use your Boost Juice, you just have to simply open the Boost Juice application. And then when you log in into your account, you are going to see your Vibe card or your rewards section. You will, when you see the barcode, this is your actual working loyalty card. At the store, you just have to open this screen and let the staff scan it. The app replaces the physical card completely and it tracks your points automatically. Since Apple Wallet isn't supported, here is how you can make the access faster. You can just simply take a screenshot of your Boost barcode in the application. Then you can save it into the photos and mark it as favorite. Or you can add the Boost application to the home screen dock for one tap access. You can also keep the app open before reaching to the counter to avoid any delays. And this is the coolest practical alternative to Apple Wallet for Boost users. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.